just got wet.
Okay.
So that
You just barely fit, sweetheart. You're getting big. Whoopsie. That's a nice whistle. I like it. There she comes. And then the curve. You were banging on stuff this morning.
No banging, please.
Can I get that?
You're not being good. You don't get it back.
I think you like the one the first place. So tomorrow you can't get.
What?
I don't know. Maybe like breakfast dinner or something.
We could
Like
do
breakfast
that.
dinner or lunch dinner, like pink on joy for lunch dinner, or breakfast dinner, or cereal or oatmeal for breakfast dinner or something. How about breakfast dinner? Oh, I think.